How to make money with AI. What's up, everyone? James here with a super quick tutorial on how to make money online using affiliate marketing and artificial intelligence. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to use affiliate marketing and artificial intelligence to earn passive income. In other words, how to stop trading your time for money, right? Because that's what most people do. They trade their time for money. But the problem is your time is limited, it's finite. Whereas money, on the other hand, is infinite. They're printing more of it every single day. And the worst part about that is, if you know anything about supply and demand, the more of these dollars that are printed, the less they're worth. The value is going down, right? So if you're trading your limited time for money, the value of which is going down, that's a losing equation, right? So what I want to show you instead is how to multiply your time and your money. And the way that's going to work is, right, most people, like I said, trade time for money. So they do work. If we call this work here, they do work once and then they get paid for it. And then they have to do more work and then they get paid again. Instead, what we want to do is do the work one time and get paid for it over and over and over again, right? And that way, what we can do is then, when we do some more work, if we call this work 2, now work 2 is going to pay us again and again and again at the same time work 1 is. So you can see how this is multiplying your money. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works, but before I do, I have a really important question for you. And this is something I got from Zig Ziglar, but I think it's super important if you want to be successful with what I'm about to show you here. And that question is, do you believe that there is something you could do today that would change your life for the worse? Do you believe that there's something you could do that would make your life worse today? If you agree, then by default, you have to agree that there's something you could do that would make your life better, right? So now that we're on the same page, I want you to understand that what I'm about to show you is pretty controversial. There's going to be a lot of people who do not like you for doing what I'm about to show you, or who won't like you. There's going to be a lot of people who don't understand it, who have tons of questions. But the thing is, once you see what I'm about to show you, you can't unsee it, right? Once you've seen it, that's it. You can't undo it. So with that said, after I show you what I'm about to show you in this presentation, you're going to have a choice to make. A choice between doing it and making money, or you cannot do it and not make money, right? It's that simple. So if you're on board with that, I want to go ahead and get started and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the concept is pretty simple, right? You're promoting somebody else's product. This is the product here. You're promoting that. This is you. Here we go, draw a little person here. That's you. So your job as an affiliate marketer is to take this product and put it in front of people who are interested in it, right? And here's where most people go wrong. This is what most people do. They take their affiliate offer, the product that makes them money, and then they go send it out to as many people as they can find. They send it to people over here, and people over here, and people over here, and everywhere, right? And they hope that just one of these people that they send it to, these are all people on the other side, they hope that just one of these people then comes and buys this product and earns them money. Instead, what I want to show you how to do here is take this product that earns you money and put it somewhere where the people who are interested in it are going to find it on their own. And not just one or two people, but lots of people are going to find this, and they're going to continue to find it. And the best part about this is, the more people that find this product, the more popular your post is going to become, and the more sales it's going to make. So another thing to keep in mind is that because all of these people are finding your product on their own, there's a much higher likelihood that they will actually make a purchase and buy the product. And the best part about that is we only did work once, and we're getting paid for it over and over and over again over time. So hopefully you could see how this will allow you to stop trading your time for money. So that's the general idea of what we are doing here, and I want to show you exactly how this works. So the first thing you need to do is find an affiliate offer to promote. I like this platform here called Max Bounty. It is linked down below. If you want to sign up and do this, you can join Max Bounty at the link below and get started. But as you can see here, I have this offer, campaign description here. This offer pays $1.60 per lead. So what that means is all somebody has to do is put their email address into this landing page, and I get paid $1.60. Now, this is one example of an affiliate offer. I'm sure you've heard of another marketplace called ClickBank if you are interested in affiliate marketing. Now, ClickBank has offers that pay, look, this one pays $376 per sale. And the reason I have both these pulled up is because they're very similar. Free traffic system, flood your site with free traffic, right? And what was this offer? Work at home moms. So these are people who are interested in making money online, and that's what we're trying to do here. So what we want to do is put these offers in a place where lots of people are going to find them, so that we can earn $1.60 every time someone puts their email address in, or we can earn $376 each time somebody joins this free traffic system. So the first thing we're going to need to do is come over here to a keyword research tool. I like this one called Shine Ranker. It is also linked down below this video. So the first thing we're going to need to do is find keywords that we can get traffic for with this offer, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So here I found one already, ClickBank Alternative, and I'll show you why. If we put this in here, ClickBank Alternative, let's see, let's put some extra ones in there, ClickBank Substitute, and ClickBank Traffic. So what this tool will do is when we put words that relate to our offer into this tool is going to show us lots of details about these keywords. Here in just a second, here we can see there's a handful of keywords we can use here, and if we select all, we can check the difficulty of all of these words. So here we go. Here's two that are great: ClickBank Alternative and ClickBank Free Traffic. So we can organize these by monthly searches, and we see here that ClickBank Free Traffic gets 880 searches per month. ClickBank Alternative gets 590. Now, I have already made a page for ClickBank Free Traffic, so we'll move on to the next one, ClickBank Alternative, and I'll show you exactly what you could do with this. So you'll notice here that this gets 590 searches per month, but the difficulty is easy, and the in-title results are less than 10. And what that means is that in Google search results, there's less than 10 websites with this keyword in the title. So that means it's probably pretty easy to rank for and pretty easy to get a lot of these 590 monthly searches coming to our website, right? And this is just one keyword. This one keyword is getting 590 searches every single month. So imagine we have our offer here, right? This is the offer that makes us money. So what we need to do is create a page that has this keyword on it, ClickBank Alternative. So we'll come back over here, we'll put CBA, right? This is our page for ClickBank Alternative. And just this keyword alone is getting 590 searches per month. There's no way I can make 590 arrows, but we'll just put 590, right? So then what happens if we come back here, and like I said, I've already made one for ClickBank Free Traffic. This gets 880. So if we come back here and we make another page and we call this one ClickBank Free Traffic, right? And this page is getting 880 searches a month. Now, maybe all of those aren't coming to our website. So, 880 say we don't rank number 1, but we rank at the bottom of the first page. There's still a good chance that we'll be getting 50 or 100 from this. But you could see how quickly you can find these different words and get tons and tons of traffic coming to them. And all of this traffic that comes to this page and this page and this page, you are all sending here to the offer. I know that looks messy, but hopefully you are following along. We'll just start a new page here for the next idea. But you get the idea. So now we have the keyword ClickBank alternative. What are we going to do with this keyword? How are we going to use AI to generate the content? The next thing I do is come over to this tool called Copywriter. And again, this is linked down below the video if you want to try it out. And all we need to do is come here to create project, sign in again, create project. So we'll give our project a title. And the title is ClickBank Alternative. And then we will choose a content type, article, 250 words. And now we just need to give it 2 sentences about what this is about. Many people are looking for a ClickBank alternative. ClickBank is a great way to make money online with affiliate marketing, right? And then all we do is click generate content. Now I've already created these contents, so I'll come over to manage projects and we can check it out here. If I scroll down here, ClickBank alternative, here I have 4 articles. So since these are each 250 words, this is 1,000 words that I generated in about 10 minutes on this topic. So the next thing we're going to do is download the content, right? And so we will open this. It comes in this text box, but we need to put it in our blog. So we will copy this. And then we're going to come back over here to ShineRanker. And I want you, if you're following along, which I hope you are, because like I said, you can either choose to do this or you can choose not to. Now that I'm showing you how it works, you can't unsee this stuff. So what we're going to do is come here to Content Editor. And again, we're going to put our keyword in here, ClickBank Alternative. All right, so we will click on Content Editor, and it's going to take just a second to pull this up. But what this is going to do is allow us to create content, and at the same time, this tool is going to show us how optimized the content is here with this little gauge over here. And it gives us keyword suggestions, it gives us heading suggestions, word count suggestions, all that. So what we're going to do is just start by pasting this content in here, and you can see that needle jump a little bit there. So another thing you want to do is just read through this content and make sure it makes sense. I'm not going to completely read. I'm going to take these links out here because I have my own links to put in later. But basically, you just want to skim this and make sure that it makes sense. It's not repetitive content, and it looks pretty good. So the next thing we're going to do is come back to Copywriter and grab ClickBank Alternative 2. Boom, as simple as that. Download, copy, and then we'll come back over here to ShineRanker and we will paste this in. There we go. The needle jumped again a little bit. So this is a pretty competitive, it looks like we're gonna need a lot of content. This says the articles that are currently ranking have about 2,500 words in them. So we're gonna need some more, but that's okay. That's why we generated more content. So we'll get ClickBank Alternative 3. We'll copy this. Come back to ShineRanker, paste it in. Again, you want to go through and check and make sure this makes sense, but I'm trying to keep this moving through the tutorial, so we'll just work through it. Now we're going to come to ClickBank Alternative 4 from our content generator here, grab this content that was written by AI in just a couple seconds, and we are going to paste this in. So there we go. We can see the needle has already moved up to 44. Now, the next thing you could do is come down and look at all of these words that should be in your content, and it suggests how many times. So affiliate, you need to take this with a grain of salt, right? This is saying the word affiliate should be in there 518 times, but this is assuming that you have, 2,600 words. So you don't always need skyscraper content. You don't always need a ton of it to rank, but what you can do is go through and add some of these words in here. So digital products, normally you would put it in a place that makes sense, but just to keep this going, being accepted for digital products, right? So we'll just type that in. and the needle will move a little bit. And you could just take your time and go through and add these words. So somehow it's saying ClickBank is 0 times, even though it isn't here. That might just be a bug, but either way, I'm trying to keep this moving as fast as possible. So use this tool to optimize your content. You can put the headings. So there we go. We can set that to heading 1, and now it says we have a heading. So then we can come down and make this heading 2, and so on. Looking for a heading 3. Here we go. Make this one heading 3. Like I said, you'll probably take a little bit more time than this doing this on your own, but I'm trying to keep it moving. So we've got the content now. Great. We will copy that, and now it's time to head over and put this in a blog. So looks like I'll need to refresh here. Here we go. Inside my blog builder here, it looks like it's taking just a second to load up. There we go. So what we're going to do is create new post. And by the way, I'm using GrooveFunnels, which you can grab for free at the link down below this video. And you can do exactly what I'm showing here. You can grab ShineRanker, you can grab Copywriter, and you can grab GrooveFunnels for free and start your own free blog doing exactly what I'm showing you. So we will paste this in, and there we go. We have all our content. The next thing to do is to just go through and space it out appropriately. So bear with me while I do that. Trying to keep it moving as fast as possible for you. As you can see, we're just absolutely flying through this. We already have a 1,000-word article created by AI, and it's just about ready to be posted. There's just a few steps left to making sure that this is optimized for SEO and that people find this. Again, like I said, you probably want to take a little bit more time crafting this content, but I think you are getting the general idea of how to do this quickly and how to do work that you can get paid for over and over and over again, rather than going to work, getting paid, coming home, having to go back to work to get paid again, and just repeat that cycle for the end of your life, for the rest of your life, right? Nobody wants to do that. So another thing that's important is to have your keyword exactly as it's supposed to be in your title and your H1. So ClickBank alternative. The best the best affiliate network besides, or let's see, ClickBank alternative. A better affiliate marketing platform. There we go. So we'll make something like that your title, and there we'll copy it and actually make that the H1. So we'll set this to normal text, and there we go. Set that as our H1. So now we have the keyword in our title, we have the keyword in our H1, and then here's the H2. We can make that bold so it stands out. Now, the last thing you're going to want to do is to put some multimedia content in this, right? This is all text, that's great, but we're going to want some images, so we can put in, click here, and it's as simple as that. Load up an image. Got plenty to choose from here in my account. Let's see. Somewhere I thought I had one that was pretty relevant to this offer. Give me just a second here. There we go. There we go. An alternative, actually wait a second. I have one even better that we can put right at the top here. Forgot I just created this. There we go. Finally, a ClickBank alternative. So where does the money come from, right? This is the blog that's going to generate us traffic. But how does this blog turn into sales? This is the important part. So what we're going to do is highlight this image, and I have this trusty spreadsheet of my favorite money-making links. These are affiliate links that make me money. Every time someone buys any one of these products on this spreadsheet, I make money. So what we're going to do is grab my affiliate link here for Max Bounty. Here we go. We've copied the affiliate link for Max Bounty. So now what we're going to do is paste this in to the image so that anytime somebody clicks on this link, they are taken to Max Bounty. Now, what this is going to do is 10x my effort on what I'm doing, because I get paid a commission for each person. For if someone signs up for this Max Bounty site through my affiliate link, which I just pasted into this image, then they start earning commissions for every single product that they promote from this platform. And every time they make a sale and earn commission, I also earn commission. So you can imagine if 100 people start signing up for this and 100 people start creating 100 pages promoting these offers, getting hundreds or thousands of clicks to them, you can imagine how nice it will be to get a chunk of that income. But we are not done here. So that is that's how you paste the link, and then we'll paste the link also here so that when they land on this page, they say, hey, I'm looking for a ClickBank alternative. If you're looking for one, here it is right here. Boom, you just click the link. Couldn't be any simpler. If they missed the link, here is an image. So the next thing I'll do is come down and I will make a few more of the links so that they can't miss it if they're reading through. If they're not convinced to click right at the top and they get further down, maybe they'll want to click one of these links down here. So that's what we're doing. But we can monetize this one blog multiple ways. So putting that link in there, and we'll save it to make sure that link stays in there. Putting the link in there is a great way to get people to this Max Bounty offer. But say they're not, maybe they're not ready to join Max Bounty, but we don't want to miss out on an opportunity to make a sale. So we'll take a similar offer here, and this is exactly how Max Bounty works. We will build our tracking link to this Calling All Entrepreneurial Moms, Work at Home Moms offer. So we'll select native because, as you can see in the hover thing there, ads integrated into content. And then we want banners. So we've got our banners here. We want the size, pick a good size, 430 by 600. That's a good size for a blog. So I will select that. And then it's as simple as copying the link. So now we're back over at Grooveblog. We're going to click this plus. We're going to click embed HTML. So boom, we paste that one in there. Give it just a second, and now look at that. We have our blog. Someone finds this blog, ClickBank Alternative. There they have it, Max Bounty. But if say they're reading down, and say the person reading this is a mom, Calling All Entrepreneurial Moms. Now, as soon as they click this link, if they sign up, if they put their email in to this offer, then boom, I get paid $1.60 just for their email. Even if they never buy anything from this web page, I get $1.60 if they opt into this offer. So now we've just doubled the chance that we make some kind of money off of this page, right? But we're not done yet. There's another way you could do this. So say someone scrolls all the way down to here and they still haven't clicked. So what we want to do here is put in another image. Here I had one. Find it again. Here we go, this get clicks image. So we'll put this in here, and now what we're going to do is take this free traffic system, flood your sites with free traffic, right? So we want to promote, and I've already got this link created and pulled up here. So I will copy this. There we go. And we are going to do the exact same thing. We're going to highlight this. We are going to make it a link, a clickable image that goes to a link. And now when someone clicks this link, they're taken to an offer that will make me $376 if they buy it. So you could see by looking at this, this looks like a normal blog, right? Especially if we go and put some more relevant images in here, right? We can come and we can put an image of a computer screen with some charts on it there, because people are going to be tracking their sales. That makes sense. And what else we could do is we could put a YouTube video in here somewhere. So if I come to my channel, let's just search for free traffic. I'm sure I have a video about free traffic. There we go, right in the thumbnail too. Look at that. So we will copy this link, come back over to Grooveblog and paste the link into the video box, and then boom, how to get traffic to your website for free traffic from Google, right? That's what this is all about. ClickBank, we're promoting affiliate offers, we want to get free traffic. So now when someone comes here, they found everything they could possibly be looking for. They found their alternative to ClickBank, and if they click this, I'm going to earn recurring commissions from every single product that they promote and make sales on. If they don't end up checking out the ClickBank alternative, maybe they're an entrepreneurial mom and I'll get $1.60. If they don't do that and they scroll down, maybe they'll want to get clicks and they click this image. And you can always absolutely make better ones. This is pretty vague, get clicks. You can make this say, try this free traffic system that might have a better click-through rate, but I'm trying to just keep this moving and show you exactly how to do this. So we will save, we might want one more image in here, but you get the idea. So there we go, we have another image. Now the last thing to do, and this is ready to go live in just a second, the last thing we got to do is click the settings here and set up our open graph information. So this is what someone's going to see when this web page gets shared on social media, or for example, if someone sees this in Google search results and Google wants to display an image, this is telling it that, hey, we want it to display this image right here in search results if somebody searches for the keyword ClickBank alternative. So come down here, we can select categories if your blog has categories. So make money online, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, since we have YouTube video, social media, you might promote this on social media. There we go. So now you will also need an excerpt. So we will copy this, paste it in here, and now we want to generate curiosity. We want people actually clicking on this, not just going straight to max bounty. So if you are looking for an alternative, ClickBank, another great affiliate network, can be found here. So that tells them they have to click, right? We're not going to just give it to them in the preview. They have to click to get the information. So the next thing we want to do is enter keywords. So ClickBank alternative to ClickBank websites like ClickBank, and you get the idea. You can put as many of these keywords in as you want. We'll just check that the metadata in Open Graph is correct. Select article as the type, and that's it. We are done. Literally, I'm going to click this button here. Ready? Publish. And then we will exit. It's going to ask if we want to save again. Yes. And now this is live on the internet. So if we open up a guest tab to check, we can go here to my blog, hustlemarketing.com. It's loading kind of slow here, I guess because I'm recording this, but we will just give it a second to refresh. There we go. And now you can see, just like that, the blog is live right here next to all of my other blog posts. We can click on that. And so the final step, you are literally done with this. This is posted and it's live on the internet. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is get this actually indexed by Google, which all that means is that Google's bots that it sends out to find web pages on the internet, you want to make sure Google finds your web page. So the way you're going to do that is just copy the link to your website right from the website bar up there, and then you're just going to start doing what's called creating backlinks. And all that means is you are going to come back to your blog here and you're going to make a new post, and you might make a new post about how awesome this post is. And what's even better is if I click home here, if you have multiple blogs. So what you could do is come here to another blog, like I could come to this nifty promo blog and say, hey, here's a cool promo for you to check out. Check out this ClickBank alternative. And then I'm going to paste the link from our blog here. I'm going to paste this link here, just like we did when we were editing this blog. In just a second here, I will show you exactly how to do it. So when we were editing this blog, right? We'll open the editor. So when we're creating a new blog post, we're literally just going to highlight a relevant word. So we'd come and find somewhere, where it says ClickBank alternative or something like that. anyways, so you would just highlight that, and then you would just paste the link in here. Now I'm not going to link to the same page here, but assuming this was a different blog or a different website. Now another way that you can get these links indexed on Google is to share them on social media. Share them on your Facebook wall, share it on Reddit, share it on Pinterest, share it anywhere that will let you post a link. Including YouTube. Another great way is to make a YouTube video and put the keywords, again, just like I showed you to put the keywords in your title, I showed you to put the keywords in your H1. You also want to put the same keywords in the title of your YouTube video as well as the description. And then if you embed that YouTube video into your blog, as I've done here, you're gonna get multiple rankings, right? Because then people searching YouTube are going to find your video, people searching Google are going to find your blog, and then when they do find your blog, they're going to stick around on this page a lot longer because there's content here for them to consume. If there was no video, right, and they read through all this in 3 minutes, they're gone. But since there's a 5 or 10 minute video, there's a good chance they're going to stick around, and that increases the time that these offers, that these products are sitting right in front of them, ready for them to buy. And each time they do, I will make money from it. And that is exactly how affiliate marketing works, and how you can stop once and for all trading your time for money. Again, we are done. We are done with that post. So we are finished. And now that is going to be earning me, like I said, depending on what offer someone clicks, anywhere from $1.60 to $300 and something each and every sale. Now what I'm going to do is go on and create hundreds more of these pages. I create probably 5 to 10 of these highly optimized web pages every single day, promoting products that earn me money. And the beauty of it is, over time, all this traffic starts to snowball, right? When you first make a little blog, your website is this big. But then as it gains momentum, it's like a snowball rolling downhill. Then suddenly it's this big, right? Because here you might have had 3 posts on your blog. Now you've got 30 posts on your blog, so your blog is this big. And so as this snowball rolls downhill and it gets bigger, so now say your blog has 300 posts on it. Not only is your blog getting bigger, but just like gravity, you know, the bigger a planet is, the more gravity it has, the bigger your blog is, the more traffic it's going to be attracting, right? And you're getting paid for the work you did over and over and over again. So I hope this makes it clear. I hope this gave you everything you need to start making money using artificial intelligence online with affiliate marketing. Tons of people ask me how making money online works, especially when I try and explain to family and friends who ask me what I do now that I'm no longer working a job, and I tell them I make money online by promoting products, and they just can't wrap their head around it. So I hope that this clarifies things for you. And if it does, please leave me a comment and let me know what you learned from this video. And if there's anything you didn't like, for example, I normally don't have music going. I put some music in this one. If you like it, let me know, and I'll keep putting it in my videos. If you hate the music, let me know. I'll take it out. Ultimately, the more feedback I get from you, the better content I can put out, and I can show you exactly what you want to see and all of that. So I hope this helps, and I will catch you on the next tutorial about making money online. Take it easy, everybody.